Hey, Paul Peck here again. Today I'm going to show you how to match an orange peel texture on a repair. These customers had a slab leak which led to having to have the whole place repiped. So I'm fixing the holes and putting some plastic up to go ahead and be able to orange peel it without making a mess everywhere. Took a little bit of time to get it prepped right, but everything's covered and protected. I used my Werner walkboards to get out my texture rig because I didn't have any help this day, and it works perfectly to get it out of the van. So if you're ever in a bind by yourself and got a piece of heavy equipment, you can use your walkboards to get it out of the van. All right, I'm going to add some water to mix up the orange peel texture. Using my level 5 mini mixer, I just need to mix up a small batch of the texture. I'm using a all-purpose joint compound, thinned down to pretty soupy for an orange peel texture. So you want to be able to pour it out of the bucket into your hopper easily. You want to mix it and then let it set up for about 10 minutes and then remix it again to the exact consistency that you want. Put your hopper in a bucket and pour your joint compound in your hopper, and you don't have to worry about it spilling or anything crazy. I've got my air pressure turned up all the way for this orange peel texture. So I'm just going to spray it pretty much in a circular motion. You don't want to stay in one place very long or it's going to pile up too much. So you want to keep moving, and you don't want it to pile up. Covering and protecting is crucial. I'm using my Graco RTX 1000 texture machine, and that comes with a hopper as well. Actually, you can use either a hopper or straight from the hose. It has both options on this texture machine. I'll leave a link in my bio for that. Now you see why I had to put all the plastic up and the paper on the base and cover the floor, because it can create texture everywhere when you're spraying it. So there it is. I'd say it was a perfect match. All the plastics picked up, all the floorings picked up, and the paper. And there's how she turned out. Gonna let it dry overnight, and I'll be back to prime and paint. Subscribe for more skim coating and drywall tips. Thanks for watching.